Hi, now let's go to the topic SJE shortest job, SJF shortest job first, and this is also a non-primitive algorithm. So we have the same section as FCFS, that is P number, that is P1, P2, P3 and P4, and let's take arrival time as 0, 2, 4, 3 and BT 6, 4, 2 and 3. Now CT is and TAT and WT, this is all common, WT and RT. Now let's first have the Gantt chart. So 0, and don't write the values here, okay? 0. So I'm going to explain now. EET, arrival time, you can call this as arrival time as well. So now let's see, the process goes like this. Is completely based on how you have the BT, that is the arrival time. Now at P1 0, the bus has arrived, the train has arrived at 6. So 6 goes first. So 6 P1. Okay, P1 6. Now by 6, by the train arrived at 6, there are a lot more that are arrived. What all are those? 2, 4, 3. So that is P2, P3, P4. All these 3 are also arrived by 6. So let's write, that is P2, P3, P4 are already arrived, are not on waiting list, is already arrived. So now by P6 we have to now take the least arrive time. Now what is the least arrive time after 6? What is the least arrive time after 6? That is P3, 2. Now if we write P3, 6 plus 2, 8. Now by 8, what all has arrived? Now by 8, again P1, P2, P3 and P4 all are arrived. P1, P2, P3, P4 all are arrived. So which one has arrived the least? Now don't take this P2, P3. Which one has arrived the least? P4. 8 plus 4, P4 has arrived the least. Now this 2 becomes 8. You don't have to write. I've done a mistake here. When you're taking the value of P3, considering P3, that is this 2 becomes 8. You have to not write it, but initially take this as 8. By 8 all the trains have arrived. The least train by 8 will be 4, P4, that is 3. So 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, so now P4, now take initially P4. Okay, P4 by 11, what all has arrived? By 11, what all has arrived? Of course, again everything is arrived. What is the least among all? P2, because now P3 becomes 8, 6 and this is now 11. Initially 4 becomes the least one. So now let's take P2, 4, 11 plus 4, 15, 11 plus 4, 15. Now by P4, 15, all the trains are arrived. Okay, all the trains have arrived now. Now this you have to write in an order. Okay, so now P1, what does P1 becomes? P1 becomes, let's come from the bottom. P4, 11. Okay, P2 is 15, P3 is 8 and P1 is 6. And then the rest is simple. TAT, you know how to find TAT. Of course, CT minus AT is TAT. and WT is BT minus TAT is WT. BT minus TAT equals to WT, and AT minus CT equals to TAT. After this, finding the average, doing it and comparing it, that's it. Thank you.